Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Data.gov and NOAA to pull public government data for projects, follow these step-by-step instructions to access valuable datasets. Step 1. Visit Data.gov, the official U.S. government open data portal that provides access to over 250,000 datasets from various federal agencies covering topics like agriculture, climate, education, and health. Step 2. Use the search bar to find datasets by keyword or browse by topic, organization, or data format. Apply filters to narrow results by date range, file format, or publishing agency. Step 3. Review dataset descriptions carefully to ensure the data meets your needs. Check the metadata for information about data collection methods, update frequency, and any limitations. Step 4. Download datasets in your preferred format. Most datasets are available in multiple formats, including CSV, JSON, XML, or through API access for real-time data integration. Step 5. For weather and climate data, visit NOAA.gov and explore their data catalogs. NOAA provides historical weather data, oceanographic data, atmospheric data, and climate projections. Step 6. Access NOAA's National Centers for Environmental Information for comprehensive climate data. Use their online tools to generate custom datasets by location, date range, and parameters. Step 7. Explore NOAA's API services if you need programmatic access to real-time data. APIs are available for weather forecasts, tides, severe weather alerts, and marine observations. Step 8. Review data usage terms and cite your sources properly. Most government data is in the public domain, but always check specific licensing terms and provide appropriate attribution in your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.